So here's my Voxbox unveiling. I got this in the mail today. I got the Super Sizer Lash Blast. Very black. Never tried this before. And then Intensify Me Lash Blast Liquid Eyeliner. Also never tried this before. It's in intense black. And then this is just the info on it. So we shall try.